Ate Yaya, I have a question for you. Para bang candy yung lasa ng Purple Hearts? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this your favorite?
Yes.
Do you really like Purple Hearts very much?
Yes.
Yay! Hi parents! Alam nyo ba na 1 year na simula nang na-discover namin ang Purple Hearts? Nag-start siya sa Purple Hearts Fruity Boost and then Veggie Boost. Ngayon naman, we're trying their new variants, which is the Purple Hearts Mighty Boost and the Purple Hearts Immune Boost. Sobrang nagustuhan nga ng anak ko yung lasa ng Purple Hearts, kaya naman tinuloy-tuloy na namin hanggang ngayon, healthy pa rin siya, maganang kumain at masigla. The Purple Hearts Mighty Boost is infused with hydrolyzed marine collagen and vegetable extracts for balanced daily support and complement active routines para mas maging malakas and masigla. The Purple Hearts Immune Boost naman is infused with natural superfood extracts for supporting daily defense and vitality. Great choice for daily routines to stay healthy and energized. Kahit nga ako mga mommies, nagtitake rin itong Purple Hearts. Mommies, ako nagsasabi sa inyo na ang ganda talaga ng Purple Hearts, kaya nga to favorite ng anak ko. Grab yours now!